guys? Here, Steve from Card Breaking Now. We're getting ready to do teams for our hat trick break tonight. We got 6 boxes, 5 of them are 17-18 product, and we got a box of hat tricks. So let's do it. 31 teams, 31 spots. Vegas are up for grabs in this one too. Good luck. It is 9:48. And here's your teams: Anaheim to Winnipeg. Vegas is in there, or down to Adam. Guys, good luck. Start with teams 1. We do 4, 2, 3. Is the timestamp? Timestamp on 3 says 9:48. 9:48. Last and final on teams, and we'll copy them over. 4th timestamp. Timestamp here says 9:49. 9:49 it is. Rangers to Philly. Rangers to Philly. We got Minnesota to Calgary. There's your teams. Let's match up some names. 9:49 on the clock. And here's your list. Orb to Adam. 1. 1. 2. My God, why so slow? 2, 3. Timestamp on 3. 9:49. 9:49. We're on our last and final, then we'll match them up. Fourth and final timestamp. Says 9:50, and 9:50 it is. Brennan to Jeremy. Oops. Brennan to Jeremy, and Mike to Alan. There's your teams, guys. We'll post them in the comments, and we'll see you shortly. Best of luck.